Hey there, entrepreneurs. Interested in tapping into some serious funding to help Jamaican youth? Well, USAID did just announce a whopping $3 million to combat youth crime in Jamaica. And I've got the inside scoop on how you can capitalize on this opportunity. Stick around, because this could be a game changer for you and the community. First off, let's talk. USAID is all about preventing youth crime through community empowerment. As an entrepreneur, you can design or collaborate on programs focusing on education, employability, or mentorship. Think about creating initiatives that offer young people a brighter future. This is exactly what USAID is looking for. Next up, the funding emphasizes providing employability skills for Jamaican youth. Got expertise in a specific industry. Develop training programs, apprenticeships, or job placement services. These initiatives not only attract youth participation, but also align perfectly with USAID's objectives, boosting your chances of securing funds. Could be another golden ticket. Imagine starting a business that tackles the very issues contributing to youth crime like unemployment or lack of education. Offer jobs to at-risk youth, provide entrepreneurship training, or team up with community organizations. This approach not only helps the community, but also qualifies for USAID funding. Now, let's talk partnerships. USAID loves collaborations. Working with NGOs, faith-based groups, or civil society organizations can significantly enhance your project's impact. You bring the expertise, they bring the eligibility. Everyone wins. Here's a quick primer on how to apply. First, monitor USAID's funding opportunities via their website or subscribe to notifications. Develop a comprehensive proposal that clearly addresses youth issues with detailed plans, budgets, and measurable outcomes. Submit it through grants.gov after creating an account and completing registration. If you're thinking, how do I even start with all this? Register on grants.gov and sam.gov to get your unique entity identifier. Check eligibility, prepare your proposal, and don't hesitate to seek local support from USAID's Jamaica office. And yes, finding partners can make a world of difference. Approach local NGOs, international organizations, development agencies, or even private sector entities. Align your goals, share your proposal, and clearly divide responsibilities. Partnerships can not only strengthen your application, but also ensure project success. So there you have it. Align your business with USAID's objectives, create impactful projects, and secure that funding to make a real difference in Jamaica. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more entrepreneurial tips and opportunities. Catch you in the next video.